I don't know why it's so
That looks
loud.
like Amelia.
Good God.
For God's sakes.
That's Mark.
That's
That
Vicky.
looks like Jason.
That's not Vicky.
It looks like Jason a little bit.
That's Vicky. There's me and Joe on the floor. Look at
Uh-huh.
Joe and Leif on the floor. No,
Don't tracking.
tracking. And Andrea is a baby, and Cheryl is
There's Randy.
Randy, Michelle. Why isn't it tracking? Now it's.
Ralph told me,
Oh no, that's Tony holding. It sure looked like Ralph
Richard.
there though.
Oh no, that's Ralph. Who was holding Richard?
Tony.
Tony. There's Mommy. Oh, there's somebody sat down next to you. But no, I don't think we see who that is.
It goes up one more
I
time.
wish he turned around to. Oh, that looks like her. It looks like Amelia.
Oh, it doesn't.